the traditional way of doing this, building an insurance product for digital distribution, or the way most folks are doing it, before Joshu is it's kind of a 3-floor building that you build. The first floor is the insurance product. You go and, you design what information you want to get, and then you design the rules, usually in Excel, unless it's an ISO product and, all the rating bureaus and the standardized, but especially in specialty, and a lot of times even in standard products, there's proprietary rating that the actuaries are giving you, and you have an Excel that manifests all these rules, and then a bunch of documents to generate for the policy, the endorsements, and all that. And so once you have that first floor, the second floor is usually, let's get a policy admin system, let's build it, a data model, and let's build kind of the underwriter tools to go and underwrite. And then only in the third floor is, okay, let's build a portal that connects to this policy admin system. And this process is really long, and not just long, but it also breaks kind of the ownership of the insurance product manager. Before, when everything was manual and PDF or fax machine, or I'm not sure what it used to be back in the day, the underwriters used to do the whole thing, they decided the rules and go ahead and underwrite. When people started building automatically underwriting machines, you had to get in an engineer to build it for you. And then any change you wanted to make, just to build it, you have to kind of always relay that information to someone else. And that takes a long time, and the back and forth is just sometimes quite frustrating. So the whole vision for us was, let's give the insurance professional, that product owner, head of product X for a carrier, or the chief underwriting officer for a new MGA, give them this tool that with a very moderate learning curve, from the convenience of their laptops, they'll be able to get a full end-to-end portal or quote and buy an API. They don't need to worry about building this. You see this also, the thing is, at Bay, some of what we built there in the tech stack was related to rethinking underwriting and using some of the cyber tools, but maybe 80 or 90% of what we built ended up being distribution technology. So the portal, white label portal or an API and a system for the underwriters. And when you think about it, a lot of the competitors and other insurtechs, they're building a very similar apply, quote, bind flow. What changes is, what questions are you asking? What's your model? What paper are you writing on? And these are the things that became a configuration on our platform. You can just set it like a settings in our builder, and then the portal and everything else is taken care for you.